So hey everybody, Just Vybz TV is here at it again with the next review with Alkaline Microwave. Popcaan this, Not Nice and Drake.
Is it? Ush! If them not behave a grave, you know? Ush! Ush! Behave like yourself, microwave.
Great starting of the song. It kinda start like badness in there, it have that flow, that melody. But different rhythm and thing, yeah. But
alright then. Streets don't know man legit in a war, never fidget in a war, not once. Them a boots up a little midget in a war, him a bitch in a the war tracks, man. Everybody know I be a box and kick you get a shoulda never sing that song.
so here it there, Popcaan and little midget. You see me? And him should never sing that song. Stray dog, when him a tell him for go suck him mother and all of them things, you see me, like that one day touch Alkaline, him never like that, so him give him enough lyrics in that one, yeah, and try him best for give him as much lyrics for flop him, cause him not like that part there when him say go suck your mother, that part they like it hurt him, you see me, so you must say him should never sing that song.
Oh, me attack suck pussy flop can one world know say you not Batman. Anyway me see your pussy, me a bust your face, show you say you can't style one done. Money shoot up your car where your man buy, give you make your waffy left that abandon. You get $30 million what a ride and a range as a prize and a pack of tampon.
And right here so now, Flopcaan, no, I'm sorry, Popcaan. Alkaline call him Flopcaan. Anyway, this so now, he must say, he must shoot up the car where Drake buy him, man, make him have to leave that abandon. The drop top range Drake buy him and shoot up that, him leave it abandoned. Car style one done straight. So, alright this so, the Drake this come in. You see me?
Microwave, you a bait, man, I make your nose straight. You suck out the pussy, she put her back in your face. She 57 buses, splash him all over the place. Head over there, so put your power wrong, a wiggle and a shake.
So, that part there bad, I just put in a part there, phone listen it. You see me?
Go hard, me kill you with a 38. Now use the rifle, me now shot to waste. Mother Brian's can't save you, no matter how she bring.
So right there so, Popcaan a waste man. Him nah use the rifle because him nah have shot for waste. Him nah waste shot pan no either, pan no waste man. You see me? And John all the dog, mother him jump on right this all, him mother him attack. Him mother prayers can't save him. Once him a dead, him a get it. Him a go dead.
Say them a corral me spot him from a mile a step. Boy dead for me like what the fighter jet. Not twice I try run him like a text. With a vomit out and try she sign to death. Stop and love me style, you can't be me. Bad for your sister little boy, you know bad for me. Me like the city by myself, a man cut your key. Be a killer's man, pan with your pan with police.
So there is where the not nice this comes in, pops up, calling him not wise. And straight to some man Alka, and you are like the city. Popcaan, Jano, man, cut a key. So any of Popcaan want try for lock back the city, man forgot change him lock. As him can key get cut.
So if you done go, no if you run go. Show tie up on your gas like you burn you. Try sneak this my brawling gun down your bossy party till the breezy place turn upside down. Work you over until them over. Can't manage liquor but the boy go sober.
So this now, he make Popcaan know straight. Say yo, the war can't done. You see me? Until him over. And I know Alkaline is a youth, even when the war over and Popcaan back down, him still a go put out this song for him. You see me? Make sure say him dead. And this now Alkaline make everybody know say yo, him nah back down like Popcaan. You see me?
Don't make them fool you, vendetta we stole you. Remember we reach you, where they and your studio. Leave me like, New Year the pussy them can't stand me. Take it to them different so them understand me. Name pan grapes, stone face pan Ganzi. Fans them know you not have no militancy.
And Popcaan, I swear, I don't know how I fool you. But vendetta was school, him and make you know this. So. But him don't make him know in an extra list, you see me? Man school him. Him school him in an extra list already, man. Straight. And all my subscribers and everyone who is watching this video, when Alka say, member we reach what day at your studio, it's like Alka know everything what I got on, you see me? But I don't know about that part anymore. Say, member reach your your studio. If you guys know, you can leave your comments below. Up there, just vibes. You know the thing. So New Year, the man more face pan Ganzi. No, I think yeah, all the Vendetta fan them. When you see the Vendetta shirt them and jacket them and thing, hoodie them and you see me? So yeah, him close them, him beats them up on him website, you see me? And yeah, that talk the way Alka make a real talk that, you see me? Popcaan him not have no militancy. Him sell out him fans them, him should have back down from the war between him and Movado. You see me? Him should do that. Him lose enough fan right there, so I swear.
My conquer that I send her go buy a cranberry. And a buckle around for drink when the man bury. They'd already come get back in a January. Target practice by your family.
And I swear, see that party, like Alkaline, him a this the whole generation. You see me? Him that time a this right here, so. You see? So yeah, when Popcaan dead, I'm daughter I go bury him. Buy him and can bury. And keep him buried. You see me when him dead. And you hear the part when Alka say, yo, him dead already. Him dead from 2016 when Vado kill him. You see me? And him a come dead back in a January. And the part where I say, yo, him a this him whole generation. Yeah. Why I say that is because him say, yo, him a go do target practice on him family. You see me? So yeah, the whole generation a got dead.
Know if you done go, know if you run go. Throw tie up on your gas light and burn you. Try sneak this my brawling gun down your bossy party till the breeze the place turn upside down.
Yeah, calm down. Oosh. What up, man?
Work can't over until them over. Yeah, manage liquor but the boy go sober. No make them fool you, vendetta we stole you. Remember we reach you when they are your studio.
So people, everyone, my subscribers, everyone who's watching this video, let Just Vybz TV know, please, what have happened in the studio. What reach Popcaan in the studio. You see me? Leave it in the comment below what you know.
Dead. Remember me tell you. Kick off the word them think I'm in here, kill me. Remember me tell you.
This one now is like Alkaline. Really I go do Popcaan something. You see me? He must say, dead them dead. Remember me tell you. And a 2 times him say, remember me tell you. You see me? Like him definitely know say, I'm gonna do him something. You see me? I swear, Alka make that part they sound very real, like in a reality, not in song. He might do him something. You see me? That part there.
New Year the pussy them can't stand me. Take it to them different so them understand me. Name pan grapes, stone face pan Ganzi. Take it to them different so them understand me.
Yeah man, take it on a new level. Different thing. Make them understand you. Make Popcaan understand say yeah the top man of the thing. You see me? Apart from Gaza, you don't know say man, Gaza. Straight. You see me, but I am number 1 in my building right now because I did there in a prison. Is it?
No you coward cannot once they tell me. Don't fly the top there if you don't have a helmet.
And right there, I don't know what kind of argument Alkaline and Not Nice, aka Not Wise, all FEMA say, yo, him know say a coward. Him know say Popcaan a coward car. Not Nice, aka Not Wise. Tell him, is it? So yeah, I eat that. Song done right there, so Alkaline, the song bad. You see me? The melody bad, the lyrics great. And the rhythm yeah, and how the song ya bill and thing, it kinda come like badness it name, the Alkaline name badness it name. You see me? It remind me of that song. And yo, Popcaan, if you watch this right now, see me? I don't want you to back down panda one here. You see me? Just go hard and done. A Gaza first you did say until you really start rolling and rolling. And you see me? a Gaza first the thing did there. And Gaza do back down. You see me? You back down from Vado. Do back down from this one, Alkaline. You see me? Cause right here you're gonna lose no fan base. Yeah. You can't back down from down here, papi. And big up yourself on this one, Alkaline. As me say, the tune bad. You see me? The war hot for the year. You see me? Coulda not go on for the whole year. Maybe. You see me? If Popcaan do back down. You see me? Cause Alkaline don't make him statement say, yo, him nah back down. So Just Vybz TV is finished with this review today. Subscribe, like and share for more. Don't forget to leave your comments below. Turn on that notify button. I'm out.